Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back. Today's video will continue learning about handling files using the command prompt. If you remember previous session we learned that typing start not bad, then give a name, and this will create a new file. So I will save it and close it. Just type dir to confirm the existence, and here it is, the name.txt. Now what if I want to type something in terminal and save it directly to the name.txt? The way we can do that is type echo, then the text you want, and then this sign which is greater than, and then the name.txt. It should save this text now to the name.txt. Let's confirm that and open, and here's the text saved to the text you want inside the name.txt. How is this useful? Later on, once we start learning more advanced commands such as task list, which gives us a complete list of tasks that are running on our Windows machine, we can save it directly to the name.txt. Let's confirm that. Start, notepad, the name.txt, and here it is. So this is very powerful tool to learn about. Now the other method that I want to talk to you about is type copy con, then a name of a file. So I will name this name.txt. Now start typing. So start typing the text you want, literally anything you want. All right, and it's multi-line. Finally, once you are satisfied with the text, hit Ctrl Z, then enter. Now let's type dir. Here is this name.txt. Let's open it. Start, notepad, this name.txt, and here's our text. So you can see now, and I think you should start now appreciate the power of the command prompt. It's a very powerful tool to learn. At this note, I will end this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.